Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It is here, embedded in our daily routines. We interact with AI in subtle and significant ways. Our smartphones use AI for facial recognition. Streaming services suggest shows based on our viewing history. These are just glimpses of AI's pervasive presence. The true power of AI lies in its ability to analyze vast amounts of data. This data allows AI to learn and adapt. We see this in how AI personalizes our online experiences. E-commerce platforms recommend products based on our browsing habits. AI tailors our news feeds to our interests. The more we interact with AI-powered systems, the more personalized our experiences become. However, this personalization is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is poised to transform entire industries. Healthcare and transportation are two sectors on the cusp of a revolution driven by artificial intelligence. These changes will impact our lives in profound ways. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we must consider its ethical implications. The same technology that offers convenience and efficiency also raises concerns about privacy, bias, and job displacement. Understanding these challenges is crucial for harnessing the power of AI responsibly. Healthcare stands to benefit immensely from the transformative power of AI. AI algorithms can analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy. This allows for earlier and more precise diagnoses. For example, AI can detect cancerous tumors in X-rays with a level of detail surpassing human capabilities. AI is also revolutionizing treatment protocols. By analyzing patient data, AI can identify optimal treatment plans. This personalized approach to medicine promises to improve patient outcomes significantly. Imagine a future where AI assists doctors in making life-saving decisions. Beyond diagnostics and treatment, AI streamlines administrative tasks in healthcare. This frees up healthcare professionals to focus on patient care. AI can handle appointment scheduling, insurance claims processing, and even patient communication. This increased efficiency can reduce costs and improve the overall patient experience. The integration of AI in healthcare is still in its early stages. However, the potential benefits are undeniable. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more innovative applications that will transform the healthcare landscape and redefine the patient journey. The transportation industry is on the verge of a paradigm shift thanks to artificial intelligence. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic fantasy, are becoming a reality. These vehicles rely on AI to navigate roads, obey traffic laws, and transport passengers safely. The implications of autonomous vehicles are far-reaching. Self-driving cars have the potential to reduce accidents caused by human error. They can also alleviate traffic congestion and improve fuel efficiency. Imagine a future where commuting is a seamless and stress-free experience. Beyond autonomous vehicles, AI is optimizing other aspects of transportation. AI-powered systems can predict demand for ride-sharing services. They can also optimize delivery routes for logistics companies. This leads to faster delivery times, lower transportation costs, and reduced environmental impact. The integration of AI in transportation is not without challenges. Safety concerns, regulatory hurdles, and public acceptance are all factors that need to be addressed. However, the potential benefits of AI-driven transportation are too significant to ignore. Section 4. The ethical frontier of AI. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it is crucial to address the ethical considerations. One significant concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the AI can perpetuate and even amplify these biases. For example, an AI system used in hiring decisions could potentially discriminate against certain groups if the training data contains historical biases. It is essential to ensure that AI systems are developed and trained on diverse and unbiased datasets to prevent such discriminatory outcomes. Another concern is the lack of transparency in how some AI systems make decisions. This black box problem arises when even the developers of an AI system cannot fully explain why the AI reached a particular decision. This lack of transparency can be problematic, especially in areas like healthcare or criminal justice, where the stakes are high. Addressing these ethical challenges is paramount to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. We need to develop guidelines and regulations that promote fairness, transparency, and accountability in the development and deployment of AI systems. Section 5. Shaping the future of AI. The future of AI is brimming with possibilities. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate even more transformative applications in various fields. From personalized medicine to climate change mitigation, AI has the potential to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. However, the future of AI is not predetermined. It is up to us to shape its trajectory. We need to foster a global dialogue on AI ethics and governance. This includes engaging with diverse stakeholders, promoting research on AI safety and security, and ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity. The journey into the age of AI is not without its perils, but with careful planning, ethical considerations, and a commitment to responsible innovation, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. The future is unwritten, and the choices we make today will determine the course of AI and its impact on our world.